The lonely salesperson. Is this you at your new job? Feeling disconnected and unfulfilled? The Closers Class OPC Marketing Class. Mastering the art of sales and marketing. Join us at the Closers Class OPC Marketing Class and transform your career like Nick did. You'll learn from industry experts and get hands-on experience with the latest strategies and tactics. Plus, you'll be part of a community of like-minded professionals, all working together to succeed. Don't miss out on this opportunity to become a master of sales and marketing. Remember, the most important thing is to take action and put what you have learned into practice. By becoming a master of marketing, you will be able to stay ahead of the curve and stay relevant in today's constantly changing market. We invite you to continue learning and growing as a marketer, and we hope to see you in future classes. Take control of your marketing journey and make it a success. I invite you to join our community of driven and successful marketers and continue to grow and learn together. Let's take the knowledge and skills we've gained and use them to drive results and make a difference in the world of marketing. And before I forget, always be closing.